So here I'm going to demonstrate how you can use the T-Fence MicroMag Adjuster to essentially eliminate any slop in your fence. So here I have my fence locked in place, dial indicators on both the front and the back, approximately zeroed. So I'll put the camera back on the stand, unlock my fence, and try to, essentially wiggle the fence back and forth to demonstrate the slop in the fence. You can see the back dial indicator moving. Front one's not really moving. So now if you put tension on your handle, you don't want to clamp it down, just put a little tension on it and then start using the adjuster. You'll be able to see that both the front and the back dial indicators are moving at the same amount, staying in the same position on the dial indicators. We'll go around 2 revolutions and then lock the fence in place. You can see when I stop adjusting it and lock the fence in place, the dial indicators don't move, so that essentially shows that there wasn't any slop when I stopped. Both the front and the back were in the same spot when I stopped, and then when I locked it, they didn't move. So I'll go ahead and put the camera back on the stand. I intended on going the other direction to show you that it works in both directions, but it does. I'm just, again, trying to demonstrate a concept here. So this is just one way that you can use the T-Fence MicroMag Adjuster to eliminate any slop in your fence, to get rid of that dreaded fence shift when you lock the handle down. So the other thing I want to demonstrate, and then I'll do it in another video, is how to minimize that slop in your fence. It won't change anything. I just showed on how to use the micro adjuster to essentially remove all of the slop, but it'll just remove most of it and just make it a lot more pleasant to use. So it involves removing the rail and then essentially reinstalling it with minimal clearance.